Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Nissan Pathfinder Platinum. Very, very nice spec. That's all frozen ice, so that's not coming off. I already tried. See, I got most of this side off, but that side was not coming off. 3.5 V6, 284 horsepower, 259 pound-feet of torque. Xtronic CVT, total price of $47,050. Finished in pearl white tricoat over almond. Very, very nice spec on this one. I'm just gonna drive it. I'm tired. It's cold. Can you tell how cold it is? This seat. Ugh. Oh. That seat. This is gonna be the death of me. Very, very nice interior here. This is almost like the goodbye of this generation Pathfinder. See how that's frozen to it? It'll probably come off while we're driving, but whatever. This generation of Pathfinder is going away for 2021. So this was my last chance to go ahead and drive a brand new one. See how it does over the snow. Of course, after all, it is a Pathfinder, so when you find a path, you gotta use the Pathfinder. Overall, it's a very, very nice spec. I love the Pathfinder. I've driven one before, and I absolutely loved it. They're very, very nice vehicles, especially for the price. That's what I'm finding today at Nissan is the pricing is perfect. I'm talking about sticker price too, because you as well as I know that discounts exist. So we're never sure. I'm never sure, honestly, what the price exactly is. But for a loaded out Pathfinder at $44, that's pretty good. Plenty of power from this NA35. Made it to the CVT, of course. Sounds really, really good. No turbos here. go this way over some of the snow bunches. Here we can select 4x4 lock. Actually, you know what I'll do? I'll put it into auto. Pretty much get this thing stuck. And see how it gets out of it. So at this point, it's well, it's not stuck, but it's pretty non-tractionary. So go ahead, see how it gets out. Oh, like a glove. Actually, since this is a 4x4, we can go ahead and test it in this deep snow here. See how it does. Not a lot of grip here. Low. Where's that edge? There we go. Not a problem. Take a little bit faster. Not bad at all. All right. Thank you so much. Sorry. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.